It's a very common myth. People have a lot of fear of IVF and ICSI. They think that these are artificial babies, the babies are not normal. I just want to assure everybody, IVF babies are absolutely normal babies, and they are as active, as intelligent as any other baby born out of any, not natural process. So IVF is not something artificial. We are just assisting the nature in fertilization. Everything is natural. We cannot make eggs in the lab. We cannot make sperms in the lab. Everything is taken from the couple's body. And the fertilization, only the place of fertilization we are providing in the lab, because the fallopian tube is not working for some reason, or because of some reason they are not able to meet inside the female's body. We are just providing them a place for meeting. So it's absolutely normal. And all the journey of 9 months spent in the womb of the female only. Nobody can say once the patient has conceived, even any doctor, any gynecologist can tell the difference inside the womb or outside. IVF babies are perfectly fine. They cry like normal babies, they enjoy like normal babies, and they will give you the joy like normal babies. So it's very important, to remove the stigma of infertility also and IVF also. I always give this example to the patient that if you are sowing some seeds inside greenhouse or inside or outside in open land, so what you're doing, just making a difference of the environment you are providing. In a greenhouse, you have some controlled environment there. Otherwise, the plant, the sapling which will come out will be absolutely same. They'll be as natural as the seeds which are planted outside. So IVF is also like that. We are just providing an environment for the embryo to grow. Otherwise, the process is absolutely same. So you should not fear IVF. If it's needed, you should go for that.